Hey everybody, it's Sandy from Sandy's Cookbook. I'm gonna show you how to fix tacos. They're pretty easy to fix. I got down the hamburger here. Turn the stove on at medium high. Put my hamburger down in there. Here it is. Spatula, cut it, break it up some. Tacos is pretty easy to fix. Don't take a whole lot of effort to make. Break the hamburger all up. Yeah, it's working. It's on. Alright. It's black pepper. I'm gonna put on it. Season with it. Get some old bay seasoning. You know, I like this. I really love this stuff. Use it in just about everything I cook. But if you don't have it on hand, you leave it out. Here's some Weaver Gourmet Burger Seasoning. This is some really good stuff. Can't remember if I got it at Kroger's or Walmart, but definitely pick it up if you get a chance. Really good with hamburger dishes. Here it is. Got a little bit of seasoning salt on when I into it. And use one brownie hamburger. Add a little more seasoning to it. You want to keep browning your hamburger. You get it good and brown. See, I got a lid here. I'm going to put on it. Since most people know how to brown hamburger, I'm going to go ahead and put you on hold till I get the hamburger brown. Once I get it brown, I'll bring you back. Okay, got my hamburger good and brown now. So what I'm going to do is I got a jar of chunky salsa. I'm going to make that quick. quarter. I'm gonna add that to it. And I got an envelope of taco seasoning that I'm gonna add to it also. And I'm gonna stir it all in together. Make sure to dissolve all the taco seasoning from it. This is starting to look more like it's starting to look more like beef stew. It's starting to look more like chili. Should use a smaller jar of pasta this time. Should use a smaller thing of salsa. It's too late now. Use too big of a jar of salsa. Do it back on it. I'll let it come to a simmer real quick. It's gonna take a pretty good little simmer. And definitely put tomato salsa in there. So use a smaller jar. I might add some hamburger to it later. More tacos for the night. But need some lunch and probably for dinner too. Alright, well, I'm coming to a pretty good little simmer. I'm gonna go shut the stove off. And what you do, I've got taco shells here and tortillas. This is a bag of tortillas. What you do is put them in whichever you want to use and add whatever toppings you want. I like cheddar and sour cream on mine. But you can add tomatoes and lettuce too. It's an easy recipe on how to fix tacos. Hope you like and enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.